In 2005, from 2005 to 2009, I was an affiliate manager for some of the world's top marketers and entrepreneurs. This is where I cut my teeth with all things launching, because I was managing these teams of affiliates, and we were doing multi-million-dollar launches back in the day when it was just teleseminars. And so I know a lot about managing affiliates. And what I would say is the crash course on it is that start with a few first, okay? And at the end of the day, I love the thing that you started with, which was you have this group of moms who have experienced success with what you teach. Faye's going to be one of them real soon. And I'm excited for that, because then my brother-in-law and business partner will be sleeping more at night and therefore more productive during the day. It's a family win all the way around. But that would be who I would start with, and it's who I would recommend that you all start with. Your people, when you help them get results, they want to share. And one of the crazy things that we in Tribe have seen evolve over the years is that our top partners are what? Our tribers. People who have experienced it. And why? Because they have a great story to share. So what I would recommend is that you start with a small group first. Just get your feet wet. Don't try to start with, hundreds. Just start with a handful first. The second layer of that is, once you've got a few people to work with, you want to make their life easy. You want to do the thinking for them. So as much as possible, you create tools and templates and resources and emails they can send, or things they can post on Facebook, or images that they can use. Help them help you. The more thinking you do for them, the more they will promote you. Does that make sense? And oftentimes we create one set of tools. I saw this mistake happen all the time. We create one set of affiliate resources, and we think that our affiliates are going to have that, and then they'll rework it, they'll do another promotion, rework it, do another promotion, rework it, do another promotion. Doesn't happen. They'll use that one time, and then they'll be like, you got anything else? So don't expect them to be creative. Be creative for them. Provide them additional tools and resources. And the way I always used to do that is, whatever promotion that I was promoting, I would create a new set of resources for them. And then the last one that I would say that's really key with affiliates is communication. Not just during your promotional periods, but all year round. Affiliates, when you're working with affiliates, it's a relationship business, point blank. And so invest in those relationships all year round. And I can't emphasize that enough. When we launched Tribe, it was on the back of 10 years of relationships that I had invested in, and then that was the jump start that we needed, and then from that point forward, it has been fueled by relationships and by our tribers. And so keep it simple in the beginning. Don't try to get too fancy. Just keep it simple. Start with a few first. Provide them tools and resources to make their life easier, and communicate with them a lot to support them through that process. And what you're going to find is you'll refine the tools, you'll refine the communications with your affiliates, and it'll just continue to get better and better and better. Make sense? The other thing I would say real quick is that don't overload your affiliates with, okay, we got a promotion this month. Oh, we got another one next month. Oh, we got another one next month. Oh, we got another one next month. I like to just find a couple key times of the year when I want to go to that well, if that makes sense.